What's up, everybody? I'm here today with family Hannah and Matt. We're in the Adirondacks, and the plan is to do a loop of Snow Mountain and Rooster Comb. Looks like a beautiful day. Pretty seasonable temperatures, breezy, snowy, and sunny. So let's hit the trail.
Let's do it.
Don't make me read your mind. You should know me better than that. It takes me too much time. You should know me better than that. You're not that much like me. You should know me better than that. We have different enemies. You should know me better than that. I should leave it alone, but you're not right. I should leave it alone, but you're not
So just stopping to delayer here quick, warming up quickly in the sunshine. And we're gonna get heading left up to Snow Mountain. Me and Ash had done Rooster Comb a couple of years ago, but didn't have views, so hopefully there'll be views today. And we haven't done snow before, but they're both sort of near each other, making sort of a counterclockwise loop today. And they're both supposed to have really good views. So we'll see. There's snow blowing in and out today, but it's blue skies and sunny behind that.
I should leave it alone, but you're not right. I should leave it alone, but you're not right. I should live and suffer for leaving you behind.
So we're continuing to make our way up towards Snow Mountain. Goes up the valley pretty good. We've already done about 1,200 feet of elevation gain. Making some good time. Trail conditions are pretty good. It's just packed. Stashed our snowshoes at the bottom, so hopefully we don't see a lot of snow. Looks like we're gonna go up to the left here, and then there's a spur trail up to snow. And we should double back and go across back up to Rooster Comb.
You should know me better than that. I should live and suffer for leaving you behind.
So we're heading up the final 0.3 miles to Snow Mountain. You can actually see Rooster Comb across from us through the trees, so that's pretty neat. I'll probably take some on my phone more today. We'll get some at the top. A lot of time. So some spectacular views from the ledges up here. We just saw one looking towards Rooster Comb, sort of the Great Range. See what's on the other ledge over here. Really cool. Some steep bits going up here, but not too bad. It's kind of cool too with all the snow showers blowing in and out, but it's actually kind of sunny and blue skies intermittently. The most perfect snowflakes ever today.
Never kept me up before. Now I've been awake for days. I can't fight it anymore. I'm going through an awkward phase. I am secretly in love with everyone rise above it. But I stayed down with my demons. I stayed down with my demons. Bats and buzzards in the sky, alligators in the sewers. I don't even wonder why. Hide among the younger years, huddle with them all night long. The worried talk to God goes on. I sincerely tried to love it, wish that I could rise above it, but I stayed.
Alright, so Snow Mountain, pretty spectacular. Lots of snow blowing in and out. And I think everybody's enjoying the views. Nippy and windy up here, and I think we're gonna get going onto Rooster Comb next.
With my demons, I stayed down with my demons. Can I stay here? I can sleep on the floor. Paint the blood and hang the palms on the door. I do not think I'm going places anymore. I see the sun come up above New York. Oh, every day starts so great, and then the sunlight dims. Less I look, the more I see the pythons and the limbs. Do not know what's wrong with me, the sours in the cut.
So we're back towards the split where you can head up towards Snow or Rooster Comb, just delayering in preparation for Ascent. I think we'll have to go up about 500-600 feet to get up to Rooster Comb. Still a really beautiful day. I'm hoping maybe the clouds will clear a little bit more for when we're on Rooster Comb, but if not, no big deal. Great day.
With my demons, I stayed down with my demons.
So we're at the base of Rooster Comb, half a mile to the summit. If I remember, it goes up pretty steeply, but it looks pretty well trodden. The trail between the turnoff to go to Rooster Comb from where we came from Snow Mountain was pretty powdery. We stashed our snowshoes earlier, not thinking we'd need it, but that section kind of sucked. Looks much more packed over here though.
Breaks behind the houses. I don't see what's strange about this. Tiny bubbles hang above me. It's a sign that someone loves me. I can hardly stand upright. Hit my head upon the light.
So on the way to Rooster Comb, there's this valley view ledge. So we're gonna check that out first before we go up to the summit. Hopefully have some views.
Everything I love is out to sea. I have only two emotions, careful fear and dead devotion. I can't get the balance right, throw my marbles in the fight. I see all the ones I went for, all the things I had it in for. I won't cry until I hear, 'cause I was not supposed to be here. Everything I love is on the table. Everything I love is out to sea. I'm not alone, I'll never be. Into the bone, I'm evergreen.
So views up here, pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Didn't get views last time we were up here, so it's neat. Just kind of overlooks Keene Valley. You can see big slide across from us, and I believe the back of probably Porter and Cascade. Then across you can kind of see Baxter, Hurricane Mountain, Giant Valley, a couple of the different peaks.
girls at the door. I need somewhere to be, but I can't get around the river in front of me. Calm down, it's alright. Leave my arms and rest of the night. When they ask, what do I see? I say a bright, white, beautiful heaven hanging over me. I'm not alone. I'll never be into the
Me and Asher were up here last time and literally couldn't see much of anything. It was like a whiteout, so this is impressive. You can sort of make out the wolf jaws behind us, and then across you can see snow, giant of the valley, and I believe big sled still. Windy and cold, so I think we're going to be getting down quickly. Holy moly, what a difference from Snow Mountain. It's like blowing like probably like 20-30 mile per hour winds up here. It's a gust. Good job, guys. Okay, so I think we're going to be heading back down. Can hear the air raid siren that I believe is for the Fallendeer Fire Department going off in Keene Valley. Beautiful hike, got some nice views, nice snowy views. Gonna end the video here. Thank you very much if you made it this far. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.